Today I was thinking that the creator of the life and all this that exists arranged the life in such a way that those who want to advance physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, there is no limit for them. This is such a new idea for me, really. Of course, I thought about it a long time ago, I wrote about it, but it suddenly dawned to my mind that there is no limit for your progress, for your expansion, for your unfoldment, even for your fusion with the universe. But one thing that is important is your willingness. You need to will, to want to progress and unfold and eventually reveal all potentials that are within you. So it depends on us. And the life provided every kind of opportunities, rules and regulations and laws that physically, eventually you want to be the most healthy person, don't you? Why you want to be healthy? You don't have choice. But you can be healthy and unhealthy. There is a way that it opens your path towards healthiness, physical, emotional, mental, spiritual healthiness. And if you are clever and conscious about your life, you choose the path that continuously opens the doors for your success. Physical success, success in relationship, that's a very important thing. People think that only success in the life is to make money. There is another thing. The success that you make in right human relations, and you can adjust yourself to the life of others, and eventually create a relationship with others by which they benefit and you benefit, and you open their potentials and you open your own potential. See how beautiful it is. It's a success that you learn the science, how to relate with people, how to take your ego, personality away and start communicating with them with your higher potentials, with your higher realness. Now that's a great success. And the life provides it. Life urges you and puts you in conditions in which you don't have choice. There is every possibility for you to grow on that level also. Then the life provides, it's very interesting. The life provides you to expand your consciousness, to enrich your information, your knowledge. It's a must. You can't live without advancing, expanding. But there is two ways to expand and advance. If you read about the plants or about about some animals or some microbes or different things, they expand and proceed in behalf of others. It's very interesting. For example, you have some growth on the trees that they grow sapping the energy of the trees. Now that's another kind of expansion which does not have at the end joy and happiness and the expansion of consciousness. Because those who live in expense of others they eventually make spiritual suicide. It's very interesting. So there is the way also that humanity have a great chance to proceed and expand in spiritual realms. And that's what we are doing today. Every full moon is a great chance that we expand our potentials, unfold ourselves, find the ways to use divine energies. For example, I was talking with a navigator, and I said, you have a sailboat. Do you open your sails every day? He said, no. When there is wind, I open my sails. Now what he is doing? He's benefiting by the energy of the nature. So full moons and new moons are just like that man that has sailboat. When you open at the right time yourself and invite the winds, you can proceed on the way of the ocean of life.